Hey guys, we're back at the backcountry trails again, the US Branyon Backcountry Trails. Today we are going to go down the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail. We are here off of Rosemary Dunes and we're going to go around and down. Beach Mouse goes all the way over to Canal Trail, but midway through we're also going to jump across and go across the beach highway, Perdido Beach Boulevard 182, and check out the Interpretive Center and the Beach Pavilion. So here we go. Hope you enjoyed today's ride. There are a few of these little seating areas along the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail. Okay, it's day 3 of my 365-day challenge. Today I am taking a bike ride down the US Branyon Backcountry Trail. I am on the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail today. Over in the distance across Middle Lake there, you can see the Gulf State Park Campground Nature Center and of course the camp store and laundry facilities. And lots of campers along the other shore there of Middle Lake. And of course the water tank that's over near the campground entrance. And here we are in the little canal that connects Middle Lake to Lake Shelby. And that is the Gulf State Park campground, the campground at Gulf State Park. And this is where this trail intersects with Canal Trail. That was the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail, one of my favorite trails because mainly it's elevated, lots of cool scenery, takes you over to the campground, and you can also jump over to the beach at the Saltwater Pavilion if you want. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm loading videos up all the time. Like, share, and definitely hit that bell notification. Hope you enjoyed the videos, and thank you for subscribing.